Oh, my OG's coming closer and talking. Hungry? Okay, I gotcha. Hey, Scoot. How you doing, handsome? You okay? I love you. Let me see those handsome eyes of yours, okay? Oh, what a beautiful boy. Scout let me comb him this morning, and so did Billy. Hey, Miss Parties. You should get combed too, but I know you guys are hungry, okay? So let's do that. Okay. Hey, buddies. And there's our Junie. Hi, June. Hello, June. And our Billy. Nicely combed. Right, bud? Junie and her dad. So sweet together. I know, you guys are so cute. They're waiting. Oh, she gives him some kisses. Oh, that's so nice. What a nice relationship you guys have, really. There's Mama. Hey there, Mama. Mama Party Girl. Hey there, Mr. Scout Man. How are you? And these two are still kissing. That's so sweet. Oh, they are so cute together. I'm losing battery.